Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use adjusters. Now let's get started by use the application. Open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds here, you will see the same menu. Now, to enable transparency, you need to just tap on it. Right here at the left side we have here's ambient sound control, but it's the same with ANC. We need to put these earbuds to the ears, so just put it, and now you can click on it, and we just enable it. To disable it, you need to swap to ANC or disable both of these modes. Now, as I said previous, we can use also adjusters. So by default, right here at the left side at the left earbud, there we go, and at the right side at the right earbud we have touch areas, and you need to put your earbuds to your ears and press and hold the touch area on your left or right earbud. So I'm going to press and hold. Firstly we enable ANC, then we press and hold again, and we will enable transparency mode. To disable it, also press and hold, but we'll swap to ANC, because by default, if we go to the gestures, right here, we have press and hold, as you can see, and right here we can swap with the gesture only between ANC and transparency. So if you want to disable both of these modes, you need to click the off. And you need to make the same for the right earbud. So if I return right here and I'm going to the right earbud, as you can see, we still have a disable for the right one, so we need to click on it also. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.